Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to model this simple block. So let's get started. Now let's work with the right plane. Now let's go to center rectangle. So as you can see, this is our length, our height. We have 70, 40. So dimension here 70. Here 40. I go to corner rectangle. I sketch from here. Our dimension here, as you can see, we have a thickness of 12. Click here, and make it 12. So here 70. Here is 20. 70 minus 20, we are having 50. So we divide it, we share it here 25, here 25. So let's extrude here. Let's trim here. I click on trim entity. I want to work with power trim. I left click, I press it down, I take it to the line to trim it off. I go to corner rectangle. I click here. Now I add my dimension here 20. Now make here a construction line. Now I add my circle, this circle here. I'll make it 20 in diameter. Distance from here to here 14. Now I go to 3-point arc here to here. Diameter here is 40, the radius will be 20. Make it 20. So we're done with the sketch. Move over to features, extrude. Click on this contour, tick extrude of 60. Click on my check mark. Now I click on this drop down here, I click on the sketch 1. Click on extruded boss base. I select on this contour here and I make my extrude 30. Click on my check mark. So we are done with our model. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.